Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Step 1. Define key stereochemical terms. Anomers, stereoisomers that differ only at the anomeric carbon, C1 in aldopyranoses. They are interconverted by mutarotation and are designated alpha and beta epimers, diastereomers that differ at exactly one non-anomeric stereocenter. Step 2. Analyze structures I and III. Both structures I and III are methyl pyranosides with OMe at C1, the anomeric carbon. Comparing the two chair drawings, in structure I the OMe is in the equatorial position, beta anomer, while in structure 3 the OMe is in the axial position, alpha anomer. All other stereocenters, C2, C3, C4, bear the same spatial arrangement of groups in both I and III. Because the two structures differ only at the anomeric carbon C1, I and III are anomers, specifically alpha-beta anomers of the same methyl glucopyranoside. Step 3. Analyze structures I and II. Comparing I and II, the anomeric OMe position is the same, both equatorial beta. However, one of the ring of groups, at a non-anomeric carbon, specifically C4 based on the HO orientation in the Haworth chair drawings, is inverted between I and II. In I the HO is on one face, in II it is on the opposite face. All other stereocenters remain the same. Because they differ at exactly one non-anomeric carbon, I and II are epimers. Step 4. Confirm option C. Option C states I and III are anomers, I and II are epimers. This matches the analysis in steps 2 and 3 exactly. Step 5. Eliminate other options. A. Claims I and II are anomers, incorrect, they differ at a non-anomeric center. B. Claims 3 and 4 are anomers, this may also be true, but the first part, I and II are epimers, combined with the second part is less precisely stated, and option B omits the I-III anomer relationship. D. Claims I and III are epimers, incorrect, they differ at the anomeric carbon, making them anomers not epimers. Therefore, the correct answer is C. Therefore, the correct answer is option C.